Hey friends, Jackie here from Interact. Let's connect your Interact quiz with your Omnisend email marketing system.
From your Interact account, choose Edit for the quiz that you want to connect to Omnisend. From the left menu, turn on Lead Generation, and then choose Omnisend as the direct integration. Now let's grab your API key in Omnisend. From your Omnisend account, click on your profile icon over on the top right, and then choose Store Settings. From the left menu, choose API Keys. And we do recommend to have an API key specific for your Interact quiz. So either copy the API key here or click Create API Key if you don't have one yet. I'll name this Interact quiz. And then choose the API key permissions. Note that at a minimum, you'll have to allow the contacts permission here. Once this is set up, click Create API Key. Let's copy the API key. And back in Interact, I'll paste it here and click Connect. Here is where you're able to tell your Interact quiz where to send your leads in Omnisend once they subscribe. So you can see here, these are the 4 results that I have in the quiz. For the first one, I'll click on Add Action, and I can either update a custom property or add a tag to this contact. I'll go ahead and create a custom property quiz result right here. And I can either leave the value as it is or change it to something that I want to appear in Omnisend. I'll keep the result title as it is, You're a Determined Go-Getter, click Save, and then I can apply this to all of the results. Now, because I didn't change the name of the quiz result, you can see these pink lightning bolts here confirm all of the results are sending the same result title to that quiz result property field in Omnisend. Click Save and Continue, and you can do the same thing here for your quiz question. So if you want to know the way a specific quiz taker is answering a question in your quiz, click on Add Action from this page, and then update the custom property or add a tag to the lead based on the answer they're choosing. You can do this for as many questions or as few questions as you would like. I'll go ahead and skip this step and click Save and Continue. From here, you'll want to consent to the Omnisend settings. And when you're ready, click Save and Continue. From here, ensure the fields are mapped from the quiz opt-in form. So the email address that someone's putting in their Interact quiz when they subscribe goes to the email field in Omnisend, and same thing for the first name going to the first name field in Omnisend. Click Save and Continue, and then you can either test the integration or publish your quiz and test it out live.
Now that your quiz is integrated and you can send your quiz leads all of the emails that you would like specific to the way they're answering your quiz questions or get the quiz result that they're getting, now it is time to market your quiz, share it everywhere, give it as much visibility as possible to start watching those leads roll in and put them through your email funnels. For ideas on where you can share your quiz, check out this episode of our Grow podcast where we talk all things marketing your quiz.